Tuolin Hills Park and Recreation District is the home of 4 historic properties: the Jenkins Estate, Fano Farmhouse, the Schlottman House, and the John Quincy Adams Young House. These historic buildings, built between the mid-1800s to early 1900s, have been an important part of our community. From farmhouses to a general store and a large summer estate, these buildings and properties define and mark our history. Over the years, THPRD has worked toward the restoration and preservation of these buildings, bringing educational and historic opportunities to our community. Historic preservation is a sustainable practice as we adapt historic buildings for reuse and create appealing environments, such as the gardens at Jenkins Estate, for our community's use. THPRD considers the value and benefit of conserving historic properties for the people, the economy, the environment, and our community.